I want firm, lifted skin. Hello, I'm Sue Lim. What I want is firmer, lifted skin that looks naturally youthful. In my 40s, I started noticing a loss of firmness, and I knew it was time to take action. After my consultation, the doctors recommended Stem K Regen Plus with BioFactors, a treatment designed to sculpt and restore my skin's youthful structure. The entire process was seamless, and the staff made sure I felt comfortable and confident in every step of the way. Now, my skin feels firmer, lifted, and smoother than ever. Being in your 40s is the ideal time to lift and firm, because aging is inevitable, but looking youthful is a choice. B plus you, youthful at every age. Thank you, B Plus Clinic, my trusted anti-aging experts.